X-intercept and Y-intercept. Welcome back. We're going to look at these. X-intercept, it's the x-coordinate where a graph of an equation crosses the x-axis. We look at our coordinate plane. We have our y-axis and our x-axis. This particular equation is y equals x plus 1. It crosses the x-axis at -1, 0. The x-intercept is usually denoted by an ordered pair. It will be the x-coordinate, and the y is always 0. So you need to remember that because you're going to need it later, that the y is always 0 here. If you're looking at a linear equation, we can have one x-intercept or no x-intercepts. Just looking at the same graph that we had before, y equals x plus 1, this crosses the x-axis at -1, 0. So this x-intercept is -1, 0. But if you have a line that is horizontal with 0 slope, y equals -2, there are no x-intercepts because it's not crossing the x-axis anywhere. Now let's look at the y-intercept. It's the y-coordinate where a graph of an equation crosses the y-axis. We're using the same equation, linear equation we used before, y equals x plus 1. Look at the coordinate plane. Where does it cross the y-axis? Right here, and that coordinate is 0, 1. It's denoted by an ordered pair, and in this case, the x is always 0. Once again, we need to remember that for the future. Linear equations. Remember, linear equations are straight lines, so on a linear equation, we can have one y-intercept or no y-intercepts. Go back to our line. This one crosses, this is the y equals x plus 1, and it crosses there, so we have 1. But if you have a vertical line, x equals 2, there are no y-intercepts. So don't be alarmed if you come up with an equation where there are no y-intercepts or no x-intercepts. Until next time, see ya!